Have a good day.
You too.
You have a good pace.
Yeah.
Sorry I'm bothering you back here.
I got somebody behind me, man.
Well, there's sometimes it's like, should I pass? But I'm like,
I know.
I'm wanting to do a 4-hour ride, and it's like, but then if I pass, then I feel the pressure. I need to go fast.
Yeah.
So
Been there, done that.
that's why I've just been hanging out.
Yeah.
Because, you know, you have a good pace. I can't really go that much faster.
Are you, where are you headed, over to Park City?
Yeah, I want to do mid-mountain, Porcupine, Crest, and then back.
Yeah.
How about you?
Oh, you gotta do the connector.
Yeah.
Over the crest. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's nice.
Trying to enjoy the beautiful colors.
Oh, yeah.
So that's why I was thinking, oh yeah, mid-mountain.
Easy.
That'll be wonderful.
I was up 2 days ago and did this ride, and the colors have changed
Yeah.
quite a bit.
Yeah.
And I got stuck in a rain hailstorm
Oh.
over by Park City, but yet when I came back to the canyons, it was totally dry. My car was dry.
Huh.
It was not at all.
Very localized.
Oh my God! We got thunder.
Yeah, it has changed pretty quickly recently.
In a week it changed.
What's your itinerary plan?
We're because up ahead, we're heading over to Park City, and then we'll see, may ride up a bit more.
Yeah. Hi.
Alright, just us two. Thanks, have a good hangout.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Yeah, I did your route 4 or 5 weeks ago,
Yeah.
in the middle of the week. It's such a nice
Yep.
route. I hesitate doing it on the weekends just because there's
Yeah.
so many people coming down the crest the other way. But
Yeah. Well, it's.
it's just such a classic ride to do at this point in the year.
I wish I had more time during the weekdays to do it.
Yeah,
I mean, we get up here Tuesday, Thursday nights
yeah.
for riding with the kids.
Here's our team.
Skyline and Maybird.
Skyline, yeah. Yeah. Ryder rode on Skyline last year.
Oh,
Ryder,
oh, yeah.
rode on
How do you know him?
Olympus. Oh, we're behind just this dude.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Have fun.
Yeah, he's super fast. He placed 4th in nationals or something.
Yeah. He was second in the state only because of tactical error. Yeah, I know. We'll be
Thank you.
passing out up here.
Yeah.
So we're long time friends with his parents
Oh, good.
before he was even born. His parents are super sweet.
Oh, they're incredible. I see them on the Maybird
Oh, yeah.
Strava team.
Yeah,
They're strong riders.
yeah, they just both won the race division.
Thank you. Have a good day. You too.
Have a good ride.
Yeah, have a good walk.
Too sharp. They won their race division there
Huh.
on gravel bunch. And he does a lot of gravel races. And he'll frequently, he's 50, he's turning 53, but he frequently finishes with the pros.
Yeah,
Yeah,
that'd be nice.
They're really nice.
Yeah, I don't know, I like getting out. It's wonderful, but boy, I don't know if I could ever get close to that level
Oh no.
of competency.
Yeah, I mean, I could ride 10,000 hours. I couldn't be at that level.
Yeah.
How many do you have riding?
So I ride with Gold. My daughter's in it, but I ride with the boys.
Yeah,
Depends on the week.
yeah.
Can be 4 or 8.
How old is your daughter?
13.
Oh, great. Young.
Yeah, I can keep up with her now, but I don't know about next year.
Oh. Last year I could not keep up with them. The year before barely. I love doing the roving.
Yeah, same. I always try to sign up for that when I can.
Yeah. 4 years ago, when I started doing it, it wasn't very popular. And then people started realizing how much fun it was.
Yeah, exactly.
And now, I just set, 5, 6 weeks in advance. But yeah, it was a lot of fun. I did I forget what they call it, the trailer behind the JV